Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of What the Chart Says. On this section, we'll be looking at UACN, PLC stock, based on the general demand from our channel viewers. Many of them demanded that we should review UACN stock. That's why I'm doing that today. However, before we go further, let's see our disclaimer. Please take time to read through the disclaimer in details, but summary, first and foremost, note that past performance does not guarantee future results. And also, by viewing this video is not a any investment decision advice. It's not an investment advice. If you want to invest in stocks, kindly consult your financial advisor. This video is just for educational purpose. Thank you. We go straight to the chart now. We are dealing with the technical analysis, so we only be looking at the charts to analyze the data on the chart based on past occurrences. Okay, this is monthly data for UACN. So what do we get from here? This is the all-time low as far as the available data is concerned. That's at 4 naira 53 kobo. That's the all-time low. The in terms of the trend, is much like downtrend. It's much of a downtrend. It's been making lower lows and lower highs. So that is what we have presently. However, in monthly, it's not looking bad in terms of monthly short-term review. It's broken. It has already made higher highs and recently made a higher low. So, but the price is threatening to break the low. At, let's see the price here. That's 618. At 618. However, I like the way it looks. The chart looks. It's already make lower high highs. That's good. So the sentiments on the monthly is not looking bad at all as far as the charts data is concerned. What's this month? Oh, looking good. Look at April, March, April, when most stocks make lower low. The stocks is making, instead of making lower low, is making a higher low. Oh, I like these stocks. So, interesting. So what I would love to do is to compare this stock to the general markets. Oh, let's follow through. Where is the chart? Let me go to my account on Financial Times. We go to market data. Sorry, where's the market data? I like it like this. Then UACN is actually under the sector, consumer goods sector, and consumer good has been doing not too bad recently. It's not been doing badly. If you're interested in the fundamentals, the books, you can come to the financial sector, but I go to the chart. All right, so this is the chart. Actually, let me do like this. Let me look at the OSHA index, compare it with OSHA index, how it's performing. Please bear with me as I go through the details to compare what the stock is doing. Let me remove insurance, consumer goods. Let me leave consumer goods. Let me remove oil and gas, industrial, remove industrial, consumer goods and banking. Let me remove banking. Alright, now the stock. Let me include the stock. Um, Let me include the stock. Okay, let me add the UACN now to compare with the Ocean Index. It's performing UACN. UACN Lagos. UACN for now. We're looking at the UACN. Okay, so let's close this one. Enlarge it. Let's look from 52 weeks ago. Let's see from 7th of June. In terms of 52 weeks ago, UACN is not doing badly compared to the market and compared to its sector. It's leading the sector. But let's start from this year, from the beginning of this year. Let's see how it's performing. From the beginning of this year, the market is leading UACN. UACN is yeah. Why the market is making lower low, UACN is not making lower low. So in terms of the performance with the markets from the beginning of this year, it's below the market. However, it's showing strength compared to the general market. Okay, that's UACN review compared to what is happening to the general market, and we see that on the chart. So where is the value? The value from me is between the value of the stock is between what's this value here? That's a long-term view. 690 is between 690 and between 582. Let's say 6 naira to 7 naira. It's between 6 and 7 naira. That is where the value of this stock is for long term. Let me highlight that. That's what we see on the screen now. That's on the high time value. I see the value between 6 naira, although there's some cover below 6 naira, and 7 naira. Let me save that monthly review. You can check that some other time. Okay, so in terms of price action, what is going on? We saw in April rejection candle, and in May bulls took over and took the price to around 9 naira. However, June there was also rejection, but there was a gap down for July. So I think the price is coming down. It's coming down. We saw between 6 naira to 7 naira. It's the long-term view for UACN. So what is happening on the weekly in terms of, let's see the volume on the month first. Sorry, before I come to. So in terms of the volume in June, 62 million. This bull, 80 million. That's good. Good. Yeah. That is good. So we should be looking at between 6 naira to 7 naira. Oh, that's wonderful. So in terms of the weekly outlook of the stock, as we saw on the monthly, also on the weekly, it has made highs and high lows. That's wonderful. But recently, it's been making lower lows, breaking some lows on the weekly, and lower highs, which is not good. In terms of last week, it was a rejection, a bearish rejection. So we're expecting price to trend down, to come down a little bit. So next week might be down from, so market price will be testing this level. We'll be testing this level from next week. So if there's any rejection anytime around this level, we should be yeah, this stock should be on a watch list. I'm telling you, all markets has been were done in June, in March, sorry, March, April, but this one was a little bit stronger. It looks stronger following the OSHA index, the sector, that's the consumer goods. Okay, this looks good. So, good price, 6 to 7 naira. Let's see the daily. The daily. Let me remove this. Let's have it clean. On in terms of the daily, you can see the stocks have been making some low lows and lower highs. So, but recently the trend line has been broken. So it's uh, yeah, it broke out from this trend line and move up. Then trying to find some level of support. So this 7 naira looks strong. This 7 naira looks strong as we saw on the higher time frame. So our target is between 6 to 7 naira actually. Any rejection between 6 to 7 naira on the daily or weekly is what we should be watching for these stocks. Not bad. It's not really a bad stock uh, for medium to long-term investments, and it's also a paid dividends of 10 kobo. That was in this is May. That was in May, so not really bad, not really bad. So let's look for a good price to enter the stock. Yeah, not bad. Let me keep it. I think I've set the monthly. I'll put the alert there. Not really about stock. That's the analysis, technical analysis of the stock. UACN, not bad. If you have comments, ladies and gentlemen, if you have comments and suggestions, any other stock you want us to look at next week, I'll pick the one most mentioned to analyze for next weekend. All right. If you have any comments, please drop it below and I'll look at them. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. See you some other time. Bye.